So today we are going to see very important crop. So this is pomegranate. So about pomegranate, so it is also known as in Hindi, it is known as anar. Okay. So or in some other language like dalimbe or dalimba. So this is our anar. Okay. So it is very famous for its yes, that is juicy seeds, red or pinkish red color. So that is good source of antioxidants, then micronutrients. It is blood purifying properties. Then another so many good things are associated with medicinal properties. Okay, so pomegranate, it is one of the very old, ancient, was that favorite table fruit crop of tropical as well as subtropical. Actually, it is a crop of tropical as well as subtropical region. But from where it is came, so that is its origin. So that is its origin is in almost some temperate area. So but it is very well adapted to tropical as well as subtropical part of India. So it is introduced in India from Iran. Okay. So after that, it is in very good cultivation and it is adapted very well to Indian climatic situations. So it's commercially grown for its sweet, acidic taste. Most remunerative farming enterprises. So likewise, mango, banana, then pineapple and citrus group. So it is also another way. It is very important fruit crop. So whichever states are growing, those are means farmers are getting very good income out of this crop. Bumper price, okay, bumper yield. So likewise, states, especially arid, semi-arid or dry zone. So it is, we can say it is king of arid, semi-arid or dry zone. So especially in Maharashtra, Karnataka, or parts of Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, even Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and some part Tamil Nadu or in somewhere in north. Okay, north. It is not very popular. But these states are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Gujarat, or Andhra Pradesh, and Rajasthan. These are very important states for its cultivation. So it is excellent choice under this arid as well as semi-arid climatic situation. It's very hardy crop, drought tolerant crop. Okay, as well as especially suitable for dry zone. Okay, it's a versatile adaptability, hardy in nature, drought resistant type. So drought resistant, steady in yield, then good keeping quality. So keeping quality is very good for this fruit. So almost non-climatic type of fruit. Keeping quality is very good. So name of this pomegranate. So pomegranate, it is word is derived from Latin word, that is pomum means apple, and granatum means that is seeded. So it is seeded apple. So many seeds are there. Actually, it is aggregation of so many seeds. So like this structure. So this special type of fruit, it is also known as balusta. So balusta, it is a special type of fruit. It is only observed in pomegranate. So actually single seeds are there, seed coating or juicy coatings are there. So actually these different all these seeds are there will different chambers will be there. Chambers, it will be separated by small layer, okay, or integument also we can tell inside this pericarp. Okay, and this is the seed part, seed coating, or aril or juicy arils are the edible portion in this pomegranate fruit. So the fruit is used for preparation of juices, then squash. So pomegranate juice is very good blood purifying properties. Okay. Then squashes also is very good demand. Then dried seeds. So dried seeds, out of dry seeds, they will prepare the very important uh, condiments. Condiments that is anardana. Okay, it is a dried form of pomegranate seed or reel. So it is having so many medicinal property like even bark, rind. Okay, so especially juice is used for dysentery, diarrhea. Even outer rind of this pomegranate fruit, juice of that rind, it is very useful in patient for leprosy. Leprosy, that is any type of skin disorders. It is very useful. Rind also useful for dyeing of clothes also. Okay, so it is having very peculiar yellow type of color. So some dye, natural dye you can get. Okay, likewise you are getting in marigold or some flower crops. So in that way, natural dye you can obtain here. So it is cultivated in Spain, Afghanistan, Iran, India, then Turkey, then Southeast Asia. Okay, Southeast Asia, tropical Africa, in parts of USA. Okay, so parts of USA. So it is also in India. It is cultivated in Maharashtra, Karnataka, then Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, some parts of Haryana. Okay, so it is as a desert or table type of fruit. So juice, fresh juice is very much in demand. Okay, so pomegranate, it is scientifically known as Punica granatum, belongs to family Punicaceae. You can remember 2n is equal to 18. Okay, so it is originated from Iran. Okay, and then vernacular name like anar or dalimba. Okay, so it is one bush type of species. So tree height like 2 to 4 meter in height. It is evergreen almost, especially in semi-arid or tropical zone. But in when it is cultivated in subtropical areas of India or in cold part, it will be deciduous. Deciduous means it will shed its leaves. So sometime it is summer deciduous, that is they will shed their leaves during the summer. Some winter parts, it is winter deciduous. So during winter dormancy situation, they will shed their leaves. So likewise, special type of adaptation. These are nothing but adaptation. Okay, because it is basically it is very hardy crop, resistant. So it can tolerate any type of situation, drought, severe cold, like that. So it is well adapted to all type of situation in different parts of not only in India but different parts of worlds. Okay, so we want to see the fruit. So fruit, it is round or globus berry. Then rind is leathery type of rind. Then fruit cut when it's separated by membranous walls. So different these walls will be there, membranous walls or integument, we can tell. So separate compartments will be there. In that compartment, different seeds will be grouped together. Okay, in each compartment. So likewise, sometime 8 or 10 compartments will be there. So based on that size of fruit. Okay. So fruit type based on placentation. So it is balusta. You can remember BALUSTA. Balusta. It is special type of berry from. It is nothing but berry, but special type of berry, that is balusta form. Okay, so that is very important. So coming to seeds, are these are yellow to red in color, brownish yellow or to red in color, angular. Very sometimes it seeds are very soft or sometimes very hard in some varieties. So numerous, surrounded by some pink juicy pulp. Sometimes put pink juicy pulp, reddish is there. In some variety, light pink, light red also it is there. So based on percentage of anthocyanin. Okay. So species, they have different species like two species here, Punica granatum and Punica protopunica. Okay, so that is Chlorocarpa and Prophyrocarpa. So these are two species. So it is not coming to different varieties. They have in India different varieties like Ganesh, then Muscat, then Basin seedless, Jodhpur seedless, Jalore seedless, Dolka, Phule, Naba, Spanish, Ruby, Madhugiri, then Pune, Basin seedless. So these are very variety. Even Kandari also very important variety. So some variety and some recent selection like GKVK1, IHR selection. So these are not very much popular, but some Bhagwa is there. Bhagwa, Super Bhagwa, then Solapur Lal from IRI, New Delhi variety. So these varieties are very recent variety as well as much popular variety among for cultivation. So here these some hybrids they have given here Mrudula. So Mrudula it is a hybrid between Ganesh and Ganesh Rose Pink. Ruby is there. Ganesh into so it three-way cross that is Ganesh into Kabul into Yarkut. So this is all from different three parts. So that is from Kabul from Afghanistan variety, Yarkut from Tamil Nadu variety, Ganesh it is especially western part of India variety. Then Arakta it is a cross between Ganesh into Russian seedless. Then Bagua it is or it is also known as Kesher. This is almost Kesher. Okay, so this is one selection. Okay, then Jyoti. Jyoti it is a basin seedless into Dolka and Amalidana it is a hybrid between Ganesh and Nanna. So likewise, so many hybrids are popular here. Alandi. So these are local popular cultivars, especially in Maharashtra area. Alandi, Dolka. So Kabul is from especially northern part. In Kandahari, Muscat. So this is variety released by MPKV Rahuri. Okay, for acre size fruits. Okay. Then paper shell is there. Then Ganesh. So Ganesh it is very popular variety nearby. It is cultivar selection from Alandi variety 1937. 1937. At Pune, at Pune Agriculture College, Pune. Then fruit size medium to big. Okay, favorable climatic condition. The fruit color turns from reddish pink with bitter shining. So aerials are very soft, faint pink to deep pinkish in color, sweet in taste, as well as less susceptible to blackening. Okay. So these are some important variety here. Jyoti is important variety. Then Phule, Arakta. Jyoti is from US, Bangalore, University of Agriculture Sciences, Bangalore. And then Bhagwa or Kesher, it is attractive saffron color seed, juicy seeds. Okay, attractive cherry red colored bold type of aerials suitable for both table as well as processing purpose. Okay. So suitable for long distance transport due to thick peel, better keeping quality, tolerant to thrips as well as mites, as well as moderately susceptible to black spot. So very high yield. So this variety is nowadays much in demand among the farmers. So in that other one selection also there, that is Super Bagua. So Bagua or Super Bagua, these are very popular variety nowadays. And third one is Solapur Lal. Okay. This variety, these are different varieties here. Then Mrudula also variety is there. Then so these are different varieties Okay. So coming to propagation, so it is generally propagated by hardwood cutting. So here the type of cuttings woods are, it is hardwood cuttings. So when you are propagating with cuttings, surely you should have some hormone like IPA or IA. So in order to get a proper rooting, so you want to dip the lower end in that particular hormone with particular concentration, and you need to you need to put in raised bed or some polybags, so you will get the proper rooting within around 1 month time. Okay. So then air layering also, it is very common, as well as it is commercial method of propagation. Okay, both are actually uh, hardwood cuttings, then air layering, and third one is there is a micro propagation or tissue culture propagation also available, especially in part like Maharashtra, Karnataka. Okay, so they are propagating, farmers are propagating with the help of tissue culture also. But in other parts of Maharashtra as well as Karnataka, somewhere hardwood cuttings are popular, somewhere air layering is also popular. So based on locality as well as which is method that is recommended by that particular university and which is very popular among the farmers. So from which method they got a good rate of survival or success rate of craft. So that method they have commercialized for that particular locality. Likewise in mango and some other crops. So here air layering also, air layering in pomegranate, it is also very easy. So almost 2 times in a year they are doing air layering. Okay. So air layering means pencil thickness branch they are selecting from the tip 40 to 60 centimeter back. They are removing 2.5 centimeter outer portion of bark. Okay, and they are putting there some hormone they are putting like for proper rooting like IBA or IA. Then they are putting some sphagnum moss or vermiculite or some clay type of soils. Okay, and they are wrapping with the transparent polythene bag. Okay, they will try to maintain moisture inside that. So almost it will give rooting with proper care. So you need to irrigate also that plant in between. So with proper care, the that rooting it will take around 40 days for rooting. So after since that polythene bags are transparent, so after wrapping also you can see the inside the development of root. So once you are confident that number of roots are good number of roots have been developed, so you can take cuttings in total 3 sections. 1:3, 2:3, and full cut. In that way you can separate from the mother plant. So likewise farmers from single plant means average 5 to 6 year age plant, so which is a mother orchard, from single plant in one season. So likewise 2 season they are taking this gootee or air layering. So in a single time almost from single plant 60 to 70 number of gootee they can get, farmers are obtaining. Means single plant is giving in a year around 100 to 150 or around 150 number of gootee or air layering. So that is propagules or planting material. So this is also apart from fruit. So this is also business is in good demand because some varieties are very popular and planting materials are rare. So this is also one good revenue generation for the farmer. So because almost one gootee you can sell for, if immediately after cutting you can sell this one layer or this gootee for 15 rupee. And if you if you plant that gluten by taking some polybag, by adding some nutrient media as a medium, and you have taken care in the nursery for almost 1 month or 1.5 months, so you can sell for almost 20 or 25 rupee. So this is also a business is in very good demand. So that is nursery propagation. Okay. Coming to planting, okay, so it is it's subtropical area. You can go for planting in February, March. Then in tropics, you can plant in July and August. So that is onset of